Amber, what color is it, Amber?
What color is it? Stop it! Look at the thing! Quit! Look at the pretty fireworks! No, look at the fireworks. What color is it?
The plate.
Hey, how'd she get out?
She got out. Hey, don't leave. Come here.
Get in there now.
Get in the carriage or we're going home.
No.
Go away, Jen. All I can see is the fireworks. I see nothing else. Ooh, Petey. Uh-huh.
I like that.
I'm recording that too.
I post this on YouTube
Yes, I can.
against the law.
Watch me.
You'll be arrested for 5 years.
No, you don't.
Someone's behind us.
Why would it be against the law to post this on YouTube?
Because you could watch the state time you want. It's free.
It's free now.
But you have to pay $10 for parking.
Jenny, I found your father. Where is he? Right there.